So today's video is about a greeting card which is simple yet different. This one is commonly known as trifold card, tri-shutter card, trifold shutter card, and so on. We are going to learn a basic version of it. So let's get started. So to make this card, we are going to take a paper in the dimension 30 by 18 centimeters. And the upcoming slide will give you a better idea of the measurements to be followed in this card. So first we'll be marking 5 and 10 centimeters from both sides. And this side it will be 25 and 20. And we'll also be dividing this paper into 3 equal parts. Since this is 18 centimeter, we'll be marking on 6 and 12 centimeters. Okay. Now we'll be making all the vertical score lines, and this is how we'll do it. So we have made all the 4 score lines. Now we need to make vertical slits at 6 and 12 inches mark, but only between first and second score line. So we'll take our ruler and a cutter and we'll make a slit in between first and last score lines. So our slits are done, and all we need to do now is fold this card. So we'll be making alternate folds vertically, like this. So now we have made alternate folds, but the trick is we need to fold the slit area in the reverse manner. So if the fold is in the outward direction here, we'll fold this part in reverse, that is in the inward direction. Similarly, we'll fold this part in the outward direction. And our greeting card is technically ready. This is how we fold the card. We put this part straight and like this. We'll make definite creases and our card is ready. Now this card can be decorated in any manner as you like. This is how I am decorating. I have taken 2 cutouts of handmade paper. I'll stick them over here, and I have these 2 cutouts and I'm going to place them over here. And I have these 4 check papers and I'll place them in the corners like so. I'll place this paper in the middle and 2 of these cutouts over here, and quickly we'll paste them all. And our card is ready. You can literally do anything with this card. You can write quotes, stick pictures, personal messages, and you're ready to go. This is a very beautiful and simple option this Mother's Day. This can also be used as mini element in various albums and scrapbooks. You can tie it with a ribbon to seal the card. So I hope you like this video. See you guys next week. Until then, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.